Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Toyota Sienna. You can see with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors. Has a rear entry manual ramp, manual trunk lid and door. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. Got a brand new conversion on it, and you can see I can take it to the ground using only my index finger. Look how easy that is. 36-inch wide ramp, that's 6 inches wider than the side entry. That's one of the many reasons I like these rear entries better. It does taper down to about a little over 34 there at the base. Still quite a bit wider. 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van. 58 inches of room inside the van. You can see the headliner is nice and clean. And between these second row of seats here have about 25.5 inches of room. So most wheelchairs will slide up in between those. If the chair's a little bit too wide, it can sit slightly behind them. We can always remove one of these seats if you want to make a little bit more room there, you see. So tell us what you need. Tell us, I know there's no one size fits all, so let us know your measurements and we can help out. Got your rear air controls. The dash looks great. I don't see any holes or cracks in the dash. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, plugs for your electronics, cup holders there, cup holders here, cup holders in the door, cup holders galore. And let's say you're going to use this for a taxi cab and you want to make these doors manual. You can put the power door off there, that button. They become manual sliding doors. Got your touch of a button to open electronic doors there as well. We do give a free set of Q-strength pull tight tie downs away with each van. So when you got everybody secure, come back out, shut everything down, give it a good slam, and you're ready to roll. Quick walk around on the van. It's got the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling, need a little extra room. Alloy wheels, tinted windows in the rear. These tires are Kumo. About 6 seconds up front, about 5 in the rear. So they're getting to the end, near the end of their life. They've got a few miles left on them, but they're going to need to replace at some point. I got a couple small scratches here in the back. It's kind of into the paint there. They're not coming out. If I step away, you can hardly see them. But I want you to know I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can about this van, letting you see everything that I see. And no, it's not a perfect van. If you're looking for a perfect van, you're looking in the wrong price range. It's a very nice used vehicle that's been very well taken care of. On the interior, we always show the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession, that we're not pulling an internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax with every one of the vehicles on our lot. Shows this is a one-owner vehicle. As we scroll down, Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss. There's never been structural damage. There's never been frame damage or anything like that. Shows the airbags have never been deployed, so it's not been in an accident where the airbags went off. Odometer checks out good, does show the damage there. I will show you that here in just a minute. As we scroll down, you can see the vehicle has been regularly serviced. It does show minor damage in December of 2019, doesn't tell what it was. In 2021, July 2021 shows damage to the front, does not show that the vehicle airbags went off, does not show structural damage. So that doesn't scare me when I'm buying a used vehicle. If the bumper's been painted or a door or something, that doesn't bother me. I just don't want anything that's had airbags go off or a bent frame. And you can see this van, no structural damage, and the green over here, airbags have not gone off. So that's what I want. So not only do we do the video and the Carfax, we show you our eBay. We have 831 transactions. We've never had any negative feedback. You can look at all of our feedback right here. We've done 831 transactions. Everyone said we treated them right. No one said we did them wrong. That's 831 and 0. I'd say that's a pretty good record. You can also check us out on Google. We have 168 reviews. We have an average of 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. We've got great reviews. So know who you're buying from. Look them up on Google. Look them up and find out what they're about. Look at their reviews. See what other people are saying about them. If the deal's probably too good to be true, then it probably is. So check them out. Back on the interior of the van has a power driver's seat. And I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. The interior looks great. Open up these rear doors. These jump seats here are brand new seats, so they're nice and clean. They're that gray vinyl, so very easy if you do make a mess on there. Super easy to clean up. does have one key and one fob. If you want additional ones made on your dime, we can make those for you. As I go to turn the van on, fires right up. You can see there's no check engine lights, no ABS lights, no airbag lights, so exactly what we're looking for. Like I mentioned, has that backup camera, a great safety feature. See the current miles, 84,385. That's just getting started for a Toyota. So a lot of life left on this van if it's taken care of. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. I press all the buttons, touch all the windows, all the mirrors. This is not some van you come look at or we ship out to you. It's got a bunch of issues I didn't tell you about. That's why I make these videos. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. Underneath the hood, a 3.5 V6, idles smoothly. I check along the fender rails here. Radiator support, everything looks good. I don't see anything bent. I don't see any signs of any accidents. Everything's nice and tight. So, if this front bumper was painted at one point, they did it right. I know what I'm looking for. I've been doing this professionally for 10 years, but been looking at cars all my life. I know what to look for in an accident. See if they did a good work. Underneath the van, very clean. I don't see any signs of leaks or any damage. I don't see any signs of any water, like a rust or that's been in a flood or something like that. And that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because their salesperson is nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume the transmission and engine are good. And nothing could be further from the truth. You look at our competition. Go ahead, check out their website right now. That's fine. Do they show pictures of the van underneath, much less a video? Do they show them driving it? Do they show you a Carfax report? Do they talk about their reputation and who they are? So, if you want to take a gamble with your money and just send it to a stranger online and try and believe everything they're telling you, that's up to you. But I'm just telling you, I've been doing this for a long time. Demand a detailed video like this. If people aren't going to get off their behind, they're not going to get out and make you a detailed video like this. Then who are you buying from and what are they really trying to sell you? So if I can stress to you one thing, demand that detailed video. All right, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans online, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure the van is roadworthy. See, the steering wheel is nice and straight, it's not bouncing back and forth, it's driving like a well taken care of Toyota. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Those go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years on this vehicle. So talk to us about those. Protect your investment, folks. Also keep in mind, we've been very upfront about how we do business, about who we are. We don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. What they don't tell you about their $500 dock fee and their tag fees. Then they charge you for freight, and they don't not only charge you for freight, but they make money on the freight, the shipping as well. And my question to you is, if someone's not telling you the real price, if their price online is $30,000, but then you factor in all these fees at $30,500 or $31,000, then you gotta do freight. Next thing you know, that price, that real nice price you saw, is about $3 grand more than you thought it was going to be. And my point is, if someone's not going to tell you the real price, if they have all these hidden fees, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding accidents, water damage, flood damage, salvage title? I don't know. But I just know if someone's not being upfront with me from the start, I'm very hesitant to trust anything else they say. So just be aware of those hidden fees out there. Be sure to ask about those. What I'll do is give it a nice hard brake at the bottom of this exit. And hey, if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So this van runs and performs exactly like I expect it to. Back to the phone numbers. That's my cell phone number, the text there. And I want you to call those big companies, the VMIs, the Bronze, Mobility Works, United Access. And I want you to ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me your owner's cell phone number? Ask them, see what they say, because I'm committed enough to customer service. You've got my cell phone number. So ask the competition, see what they say. And hey, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email address. And if you're old school, if technology is not really your thing, that's okay. A call, we'd be happy to take your application over the phone. So let us know how we can help. And to see our entire inventory with Carfax reports, detailed videos, and dozens of pictures, Check us out, www.mobility316.com. That is mobility316.com. We do take trade-ins. Talk to me about those. We can get them shipped to us. Take that trade, let us know. We can do all that for you. So just wanted to thank you, as always, for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.